Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Christmas is in the air, and the centerpiece of the magical season is the beautiful Christmas tree. But do you know the story behind it and how you can make yours stand out this year? Stick around for unique and creative ideas that will transform your Christmas tree into a true masterpiece. The Christmas tree is more than just a decoration. It's a symbol of love, life, hope, and togetherness. Dating back to the 16th century in Germany, people brought evergreen trees into their home during winter as a sign of life and renewal. Today, the Christmas tree is the cherished tradition worldwide, representing number 1, unity. Families come together to decorate the tree, creating lasting memories. Number 2, hope. Its evergreen nature reminds us of enduring strength even in the harshest. Number 3, joy. A beautifully decorated tree lights up not only the room but also our spirit. But the question is that how to decorate a Christmas tree? A well-decorated Christmas tree involves creativity, love, and a touch of magic. Here's a step-by-step guide to decorating. Number 1. Choose the right tree. Whether real or artificial, pick a tree that fits your space and style. Number 2. Prepare the base. Start with a sturdy tree stand and cover it with a tree skirt or festive fabric. Number 3. Light first. Add lights from top to bottom, wrapping them around each branch for a warm glow. Number 4. Garland and ribbons. Use garland, beads, or wide ribbons in the spiral or cascading pattern for adding elegance. Number 5. Ornaments. Hang ornaments evenly, balancing colors and sizes, including personal items like family photos or handmade crafts for a personal touch. Number 6. The topper. Finish with a star, angel, or creative topper that reflects your family's tradition. Here we will discuss unique and new ideas for decoration in 2024. This year, let's think outside the box with these innovative ideas. Number 1. Minimalistic theme. Use a monochrome color palette such as white and silver with simple geometric ornaments for a sleek look. Number 2. Nature-inspired tree. Decorate with pine cones, dried orange slices, cinnamon stick, and wooden ornaments for a rustic, eco-friendly vibe. Number 3. Photo memory tree. Hang small photo frames of family moments and loved ones to make your tree a nostalgic centerpiece. Number 4. Candyland tree. Decorate with oversized candy cans, lollipops, gingerbread ornaments, and colorful lights for a playful touch. Number 5. DIY ornaments. Craft ornaments using recycled materials such as paper, stars, fabric bows, or printed pine cones. Number 6. Floral touches. Add artificial flowers like poinsettias, roses, or baby's breath for an elegant and unique tree. Number 7. Glow in the dark. Use glow-in-the-dark ornaments and fairy lights to create a magical nighttime effect. Number 8. Cultural theme. Celebrate diversity by incorporating decorations inspired by global traditions such as Japanese origami, Indian embroidery, or African beadwork. The Christmas tree is more than just a festive decoration. It's a symbol of joy, love, and cherished memories. With these unique ideas, you can create a tree that reflects your personality and brings extra magic to your holiday season. So grab your ornament, turn up the carols, and let your creativity shine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing holiday tips and ideas. Happy holidays!